Bryce from Chaparral Motorsports here with Bryce in the Dragonfire booth, and today Bryce is going to talk to us about the Submarine 5th point harness. Now, this is a very unique product that turns your 4-point into a 5-point, correct?
Correct. It's an added safety feature that will attach onto any 4-point harness and give you a 5th point in between your legs, just in case you get in a really bad wreck. It's just an added safety measure. Just over $20 for installing these. They're not plug and play, so we got your hardware kit, the proper grade 8 hardware. That way you mount this the right way, regardless if you have a Razor, Maverick, or any other sport car on the market.
So real quick, if you could walk us through step by step on what the typical installation process would be.
So each car's a little different. Unfortunately, it's not a typical plug and play setup, but basically you want to hard mount this to the base frame of the car, not just to the plastics, but you want to hard mount this just like your harnesses. The top piece basically just attaches right onto the cross member over your lap belt. Like I said, retails just over $20 on them. They're only available in black, and they'll plug into any standard harness restraint, whether it's 2-inch, 3-inch, or any manufacturer's harness.
There you go. Not just Dragonfire harnesses. No matter what harness you have, if you already have a 4-point harness, this Dragonfire 5th point submarine harness will allow you to stay safer while out there doing what you do best. I'm Colin from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Bryce, for having us out. And until next time, take care and keep the rubber side down.